everyone, Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I'd like to say welcome to my channel and welcome to my yarn room. Well, today's video is WIP Caddy Wednesday video, and that is where I get to show off all the wonderful projects and stuff that you guys are working on. So before we get started, let's go ahead, grab you something to drink, grab you something to eat, sit back and relax, and let's just enjoy some good old crochet yarny talk. I am drinking out of my Be Yourself. And as you saw in yesterday's video, I did finish off my Starbucks vanilla coffee. And so now I am on Starbucks hazelnut coffee. And I couldn't wait for my video, so I've already had my first drink. And it is so good. I just love this mug. Be yourself. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. How about we just go ahead and roll right into the video clip of all of you guys' projects so that we can get inspired right off the bat at the beginning of my video. So let's just let it roll. Okay, guys, we have Roxanne's cart. She says the top holds her crochet knitting paraphernalia as always. In the middle is on the left is a toddler size half double crochet beanie with a hearted ribbon through the 12th round. She added a flower with a pink flower button to the center, which is very, very pretty. And behind are mittens on the needles to match the beanie. And these are for her church. And on the right, she's working on this month's section of the 2023 Scrappy Calendar Blanket by Jeannie's of Butterfly Dreams, Crochet, and More. And the bottom holds a ripple blanket, double size, the pattern tutorial from Attic 24. And she says she's wishing everyone a wonderful and blessed day. Well, Roxana, you have a wonderful and blessed day as well. And thank you so much for sharing your WIP cart projects with us. Okay, here we have Kelly's cart. She says that her WIP Caddy doesn't have much on it right now because she just recently finished some St. Patrick's Day items that she highly recommends. The funny leprechaun, and that he is so cute. And yes, I saw it on Facebook and it is so cute. She says she's done kitchen towel toppers that are from my pattern. Thank you so much. And she made a shamrock coaster and 2 4-leaf clover pins. She said one's for her mom and one for her husband to wear to work. And on her cart, she has slippers and washcloths for donations. Both are my patterns. Thank you so much, Kelly. She just needs to finish the washcloths. And then on the bottom, she has the pattern and yarn to finish the last character in the set of Peter Rabbit and Friends that she started. And I went ahead and included that picture at the bottom. I made the rabbit so far, and they are just beautiful. So thank you so much for sharing. You can go to my Facebook group page and get the links to these patterns of hers. So here we have Diana's beautiful cart. She says the top shelf is a Bag O' Day poncho, Sweet Softies butterflies, and Crafty Yarn Owl shawl. The middle shelf is a granny square project. The bottom shelf is a cardigan waiting to be frogged, and on the side is a bod cardigan. Thank you so much, Diana, for sharing your WIP cart. Everything is just beautiful. I love it. And thank you for inspiring us. So here we have Pam's project. She's done a mile-a-minute throw for an upcoming fundraiser at her Eagles Club, finished 1 pillow, and starting a second using the Luxe Trio Pillow Free pattern from Yarnspirations, a dog mystery crochet along with Heather from Strings and Threads, and Octo from the Dabbling Hook, and lastly Lovey's from Zelda NRJ3 for the stuffies, and she's given to her grands for Easter. And her cart is currently buried as she is finishing up the remodel of her craft room / office. Thank you for sharing these. These are wonderful, and thank you for inspiring us, Pam. Okay, so here we have Patsy's cart. Now, Patsy says that the top shelf is a flag for her stand. It is a spring theme, and she will have bunnies on it. And the second and bottom shelf are several color choices for the flowers and bunnies that she's going to make. That is so cool. Please definitely share the pattern, Patsy, in or on the Facebook group page. We would love to see that. And definitely share your progress. Okay, here we have Julie's cart. Julie says that the top shelf has the hanging sloth, the middle shelf has the knitted temperature blanket for March, and the bottom shelf has the moss stitch shawl, and she has a basket that she's doing in a t-shirt yarn, which sounds really cool. The basket is her year-long temperature scarf in it, and it is beautiful. And you can go to my Facebook group page, and she does have links for the hanging sloth, and she has a video of more of these WIP projects that she has for Wednesday. So thank you for sharing that, Julie. So here we have Rose's card, and Rose, I see the beautiful basket on the bottom. It's just so pretty. Rose said that She has not much progress going on right now, but she does have a finished knit dishcloth for a fundraiser. And Rose, that dishcloth is beautiful. Thank you so much for sharing that with us. Guys, you have some beautiful projects. Oh my gosh, they are just beautiful. And thank you so much, each and every one of you, for submitting your beautiful projects and sharing them with us. So if you want a WIP cart, a WIP Caddy or whatever, one of these little 3-tier carts, you can get them at Joann's, Michael's, and Amazon. And I'm sure there's other places you can get them as well. I got mine at Michael's, but I will leave a link below, an affiliate link if you would like, and for a 3-tier cart that's on Amazon. And and you can click on that if you want, or you can just go to Michael's. Michael's has them on sale a lot, and Joann's has them on sale sometimes. And but yeah, so that's where everyone is getting those. And if you don't have a WIP cart and you just have a WIP space, you can send that picture in too, as long as it's your project going on and you tell us what it is so that we can be inspired. Okay, so as you guys remember, on my racetrack rug, my little mess up that I had, well, I am now on row 18, and here is where I'm at. I have got finally gotten into the black. And so I'm excited. Here we go. That's it. The racetrack rug. It's ekayg.com, and just type in racetrack rug and it'll take you right there. But I'll leave the link in the description box below for you guys. But yeah. So yeah, row 18. And then I will get to start putting in white. Now the yarns that I'm using for this, I'm using a K hook. And oh my gosh, this hook is so much better than that little bitty 3.75 I was using. This hook just glides. I'm loving it. I am using this as my project bag. This is my March basket for the yearly crochet along, and this is the one that I did for March. I'm using, like I said, Red Heart yarn. Spring Green is this one, and it's just Super Saver black. And then I will be adding the white, and that's all the 3 colors. Green, black, and white for the whole rug. So this rug, I made a racetrack type blanket and from Yarnspirations, and then this one here is the racetrack rug that's going to go with it. I'll see if I can find the picture of the blanket that I made for my grandson, and I'll put it right here, and then this will be the rug that will go with it. Okay, so the project that I have for this week is, besides the racetrack rug, I've got to finish this little thing right here. See, do I have yarn hanging? Okay, so I'm still on here. I've got to finish this little cardigan. It is so cute. I'm using Hobie yarns for this. It's the kind feather. No, it's Friends. Friends Cotton 8/8 is what I'm using for this. And so the pattern I'm using for this is a Free Patterns Yarn Inspirations. It's Take It From the Top Pullover. I believe that's the name of this. I will leave the link in the description box below for you guys. But I'm having a lot of fun with that, but I would like to finish this week, by this weekend, and be done with it. It is a very easy project. I did have one problem it wasn't a problem, but I had one thing that I wasn't sure of how to do correctly. So they have a YouTube to go with it, a YouTube video. And so I just went and watched that little video, and the rest of it, I'm just strictly going by the pattern. So it's that easy. And I am using one of my baskets. My sister Tanya made this for me. Thank you, Tanya. And this is what this project is in. Okay, guys, the other thing is I got some Happy Mail. So let's look and see what I got in this Happy Mail. This is from Rose. And she says, thinking of me, she sent a card with it. Thank you, Rose. I appreciate this very much. And that is so, so sweet of you. The pink yarn, she said that she would like me to make something for my little granddaughter, Charlie May. And that is so sweet. It's Premier Basic right here. Yep, I love it. Rose, thank you so much. Rose, this is so cute. This is an Annie's kit, Adoption, Tote, and Pet Food Mat. This is so cute. I love this. Thank you so much. Okay, and then we have 4 of these. And you know, Rose, I would like to try this. This is really interesting. I don't know what I would want to make with it right yet, but I would like to try something with this. This is pretty cool. Thank you. And Rose, thank you. Look, she sent 2. So you know where one of these is going. It's going to my sister Tanya. Thank you so much. Yes, she is going to be so excited over this. I love this. Matter of fact, I have 2 upcoming trips, and I am going to take mine with me. I'm going to pack me a little project in it, and this is what I'm going to take on my trip. So thank you so much, Rose. I appreciate that. Okay, and then the other thing is, it's one of these right here. And this, there's 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 of these right here. So thank you so much. These are really cool looking. I have never worked with these. So thank you so much for that. And one of these right here, Red Heart Pump-a-Doodle. Look at that. Very interesting. I mean, I could almost use this just as a display, just the way it is. It's so cool looking. Thank you so much for that, Rose. Okay, that was so nice. I appreciate that. Okay, let's go ahead and do our Be Still and Know devotion. Let God win. Truthful words stand the test of time, but lies are soon exposed. Proverbs 12:19. Don't believe the lies. There is an enemy out there who wants to steal, kill, and destroy. One of the most powerful ways he does that is through filling our hearts with things we think are true about ourselves. Those lies fill our minds with hatred, so that when we look in the mirror, we start hating what we see. I'm so ugly. I don't deserve anything good in my life. I screwed up again. Why do I even try? These thoughts make the Father weep. He loves us. He knits us together and sets us apart. He cherishes every breath we take. And in the name of Jesus, we can rebuke the enemy so those lies no longer fill our heads and overtake our hearts. Jesus, lift my veil from my eyes so that I can see clearly. Show me the lies I am believing that are destructive. I know you love me and you want to see me walk in truth. All right, guys, I'm so glad you enjoyed that. That's all that I have for this video. Like I said, I'm going to be working on the racetrack rug. I'm very excited to get that done. And then I will be working on that little carton. I'm actually very excited to get that done as well. That is a really fun project. Both of these really are. So, yeah, that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to write your own story, don't quit, and to live life and to have fun. Oh, and don't forget to get up every hour and do a little bit of walking for your heart. So, yeah, I guess that's it, guys. I will see you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.